Every day, we are exhausted by work and household chores, always worried about the security of our home when we are away, and maybe tired of the unchanging settings in the house. Perhaps, intelligence can help us change our lives.
You can use the A카라 app to train this to send signals to a TV, AV equipment, a fan, or anything else that's controlled using an infrared remote.
São dos mais pequenos, são dos mais rápidos. O ideal seria conseguir utilizá-los no Apple HomeKit. E isso não era possível, mas agora passou a ser, graças aqui a estes dois produtos que eu te vou mostrar.
Esta câmera.
A cozinha pegando também a entrada de casa e integrações entre essas duas câmeras e os outros vários dispositivos da A카라 que eu vou instalar pela casa.
可以帮助我，其实在外面的时候也能用 HomeKit 去掌握这些智能产品的开关情况，也让我们俩要去操心的事情少了非常多。
I don't want to have to walk into a hot room, so I use the A카라 temperature sensor to automatically turn on the fan. This way, in theory, you'll always have a cool office.
我可以把这些时间省出来去做我自己更想做的事。比如我在看一部电影的时候，我可以跟他说切换到这个电影模式或者什么模式，它就会自动帮我调整。
If you get their M2 hub, it actually acts as a security system. This can be great for building your own security system in Apple HomeKit.
And I'm so excited to be sharing with you A카ra's TVOC air quality monitor. Many of us now working from home and simply spending more time at home due to the pandemic, I think it makes even more sense to care about the air that we're breathing in our home.
我不在家的时候，他们按一个按钮，我就可以在手机上实时收到警报的信息，这其实让我觉得会安心很多。
Et donc en fait, avec tous ces produits, vous allez pouvoir domotiser votre maison facilement. Grâce à tous ces produits, vous allez pouvoir transformer votre maison en maison connectée.
If the laundry machine vibration sensor stops detecting vibration, turn the light blue to show that the laundry's done.
Das Tolle an A카라 ist, ihr könnt die Geräte im Regelfall mit den meisten Smart Home Systemen koppeln, wie mit Alexa, Google Assistant, aber vor allen Dingen mit HomeKit.
Smart home doesn't make you lazier. It just makes life much easier. It adds more fun to our lives and brings more possibilities in lifestyle.
A카라, continuous connection.